Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look using all Glossier's products. Glossier is going to be doing 20% off their entire site for Black Friday, so it's definitely a good opportunity to stock up on some favorites, maybe try some products that you've had your eyes on, or maybe just try the brand in general if you've never tried it before. I wanted to make this video maybe to help you shop a little bit more because I'm super excited for this Black Friday sale. I love Glossier's products, so it's definitely going to be an opportunity for me to stock up on products and try things that I've never tried before. At the end of the video, I will be giving you some recommendations on products I think that you should consider picking up, and also tell you guys what I'm going to be picking up during the sale. So if you're interested in that, stay till the end of the video, but let's just get right into the look. I'm first starting out with Glossier's rosewater spray. I love prepping the skin with it because it freshens everything up and it also smells really good. Next, I'm going in with the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is a really awesome lightweight moisturizer that's going to prep the skin for makeup. And now I'm using the Invisible Shield from Glossier. It has SPF 35 and it doesn't leave a white cast at all on the skin, so it's perfect for me. I hate the white cast that sunscreens leave. Now I'm applying the Glossier skin tint all over my face. I have the old formula of the skin tint and I am interested in purchasing the new formula. I heard that it has a little bit more coverage. The skin tint that I currently have, the old formula, is very, very lightweight, but it does even out the skin tone a good bit. It's like a extra thin layer of skin, basically. I'm taking some of the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I'm using it in the shade Dark, and I'm taking that on a little brush and adding it just to the kind of the places that I need, where I have some redness or any discoloration. Now with the shade Medium, I am taking that underneath my eyes. I find that the Stretch Concealer does have really good coverage, but it is very glossy. Like, it's not a matte formula at all. It's very glossy and very dewy. So it looks very natural on the skin, but a little bit of product goes a long way. And the more product you put on, the more likely it will be that you crease. So that's why I'm kind of warming it up with my fingers, just to kind of warm things up and also get any excess product off. And then I go straight in with a powder. I'm using the Glossier Wowder. I'm using the shade Light Medium. I have it in the shade Light Medium and Medium Dark, I think it is. And then I use the Light Medium kind of all over the face, and I use the Medium Dark on kind of where I would bronze up and contour. They don't have a contouring or bronzing product. Hopefully in the future they'll surprise us with one. I think that a bronzing product in like a cloud paint formula would be beautiful from Glossier. But for now, I'm happy with how it looks with the Wowder. I think it looks very natural and just adds some warmth to the skin. I'm now going in with this brow product from MAC. They don't have a brow pencil or anything, but my brows do need just a little bit of extra something to them besides the boy brow, which I'm using now. I do love the boy brow formula though. The wax in it really, really holds the brows in place and keeps them all where you need them, and also distributes some nice color depending on what shade you get. I'm using the shade brown, but I also can get away with using the shade black. I think when I purchase mine tonight for Black Friday, I'm going to repurchase it in brown though. Next, I'm taking the Glossier Lidstar in the shade Cub. Cub is my favorite shade, although I do really like Herb. Herb is kind of green. I think it's really beautiful, especially when paired with gold eyeshadow. But I'm taking Cub and I'm just blending that out with my fingers. I feel like I get the most pigmentation when I use my fingers, but sometimes I do like to use a synthetic fluffy eyeshadow brush. I feel like that blends out the product really nicely. But I'm just kind of adding it to the eyelids, being very minimal with it. And then I'm going in with that Wowder again in the medium dark shade and just taking that on a fluffy brush and adding it into the crease just for some depth. Now I'm taking the Glossier haloscope in the shade Quartz. Quartz is the most flattering on my skin tone, I believe. It's the middle shade. I take it on my brow bone. I also take it a little bit on the nose, Cupid's bow, and then all over the cheeks. It's not, or not all over the cheeks, but on the high points of the cheeks. It's not a super blinding highlight, but it looks very, very natural on the skin. It's very dewy, and it's really beautiful too. It makes you look like you're naturally dewy and glowing. Next, I'm mixing the cloud paints in Storm and Dusk. With the excess product on my fingers from mixing, I always put it on my lips because I love the shade. I think it's very flattering on my lips, and they work really well as like a lip stain. It's beautiful. I take the Real Techniques Duo Fiber contour brush and apply the cream blush that way. I think it blends it out really nicely. The cloud paints from Glossier are my favorite products that they have. I think that they're beautiful, really flattering on all skin types, really easy to use. I totally recommend them to anybody, really. Now I'm taking the lash slick and obviously putting it on my lashes. The lash slick I use basically every day, either as my everyday mascara or as a mascara that I use to kind of comb out a more clumpy mascara. This mascara is super lengthening, but it also adds a little bit of volume to your lashes. It's like a really perfect mascara for every day, or to pair with something a little bit more intense, like the Lancome Monsieur Big. But yeah, I just put that on the top and bottom lashes, and I love how it looks. Now I'm using the Generation G lipstick in Leo. I have the old packaging, so I think I'm interested in purchasing the new packaging just to kind of see what it looks like and feels like. I've heard really great things. But yeah, I love the shade Leo. I think it's super flattering for my skin tone and my look and whatever. And just finishing everything off with the rosewater spray, and that's the completed look. So that's the completed look using all Glossier products. I am a big fan of Glossier. I think that their whole message behind like skin first, makeup second, and just enhancing your natural features is beautiful. I love that message. I mainly like to recommend Glossier to people who want just a natural look, minimal products, easy, user-friendly, that sort of thing. I really love their brand. For Black Friday, they are doing 20% off. You probably already know that. If you happen to be watching this video after Black Friday, I do have a rep link down below where you get 10% off your first purchase. So if you've missed out on the 20% off sale, don't worry, you can still get 10% off using my link down below. But I just wanted to kind of let you guys know some of my recommendations and what I'm going to be picking up during the Black Friday event. I'm definitely going to stock up on my boy brow. I'm looking through the website now. I'm also going to be getting a balm.com trio. I really want to try the mint one. I want to try the cherry one. And then I just want a backup of the rose one because the rose one is just my all-time favorite. As a recommendation, I do recommend that you try and stay with sets so that you get the most value for your money. I think that the phase 2 set is perfect. It comes with a Gen G lipstick, a boy brow, and a concealer. 3 of my favorite products. The shade Leo in the Gen G lipstick is my favorite shade. It's so gorgeous. A product that I'm going to be repurchasing is the Priming Moisturizer Rich. I love the Priming Moisturizer Rich. It's just a little bit expensive. It's $35, but with the 20% off, it makes it just a little bit more affordable, so I'm definitely going to be picking that product up. I love that product for the winter time. It's kind of just like an amped up version of the normal priming moisturizer. Cloud paints, I totally recommend that you get some cloud paints. If you were going to do a cloud paint duo, which would be $30, so you would get 20% off the $30 promotion price of getting the duos, I totally recommend that you get Storm and Dusk. I think both of these shades look gorgeous on all skin tones, and mixed together they are stunning. I mainly mix them together, but worn on their own they both look gorgeous. I love these. I also think I'm going to get another Mega Greens Galaxy mask. I gave mine to my sister, but I really like that mask. I feel like it kind of just sucks all of the badness out of my skin after I use it. Oh, I also want to get the Body Hero Duo, the body wash and body lotion. I love that duo a lot actually. The shower oil feels really nice and moisturizing on the skin, and then the moisturizer is beautiful. It kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's extra pretty like on your décolletage and your shoulders. It's really nice. Oh, I'm definitely gonna pick up a lip gloss. That's one thing that I didn't show in the video because my sister took it, so I'm gonna buy one for myself again, but their lip gloss is gorgeous. I've never tried a more beautiful lip gloss before. A lot of lip glosses, yeah, they're glossy, it's a lip gloss. You might think I'm crazy for like speaking about a lip gloss so highly, but this one really does last on the lips. It's really beautiful. I love their lip gloss, and it just makes your lips look perfect. Like, it's so weird. Also, I would totally recommend the Invisible Shield sunscreen to anyone who doesn't like sunscreens that give a white cast to the skin. That one is really nice. It smells nice. It feels great on the skin. And obviously it has SPF, so it's protecting you from the sun. I think that their lid stars are really beautiful. They last all day and they're really easy to use, but I know some people don't like how sheer they are. Totally get that. It's cool. Oh, another thing that I'm really excited about getting is the Super Pack with all of Glossier's serums. So the Super Pure, the Super Bounce, and then the Super Glow. I've been really into skincare and serums lately, so I would really love to try their serums. They have a deal where if you buy all three, you save $19 and spend $65, so getting the discount of 20% off on top of that would be really handy. Those are just kind of my recommendations and things that I'll be purchasing during their Black Friday sale. Hopefully this kind of helped you decide on what you want. If you have any questions about their products, I own quite a bit of them, so just leave them down below and I'll try to answer them the best I can so that you can make some educated decisions while you're shopping. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Happy shopping to you guys. Be safe on Black Friday. Hopefully your Thanksgiving was nice with your families or whoever you chose to spend it with. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.